Chainlink cryptocurrency and ecosystem, an in-depth analysis. Introduction. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts on blockchain platforms to securely interact with real-world data and external APIs. Launched in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, Chainlink aims to bridge the gap between blockchain technology and real-world applications, making smart contracts more versatile and functional. This comprehensive analysis will explore Chainlink's history, technology, use cases, and future prospects. History and background, founding and vision. Chainlink was founded by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis in 2017. The vision behind Chainlink was to address one of the significant limitations of smart contracts: their inability to access off-chain data. By providing a decentralized network of oracles, Chainlink enables smart contracts to interact with external data sources, APIs, and traditional bank payments securely and reliably. Initial coin offering (ICO). Chainlink conducted its initial coin offering (ICO) in September 2017, raising $32 million. The funds were used to develop the Chainlink protocol and ecosystem, focusing on creating a decentralized Oracle network that could be trusted to deliver accurate and tamper-proof data to smart contracts. 2. Technology and architecture. Decentralized Oracle network. At its core, Chainlink is a decentralized network of nodes, known as oracles, that provide data to smart contracts. These oracles retrieve and verify data from multiple sources, ensuring the information supplied to the smart contracts is accurate and reliable. This decentralized approach mitigates the risk of single points of failure and enhances the security and reliability of the data. Smart contracts and oracles. Chainlink's architecture comprises three main components. On-chain component. This includes the smart contracts deployed on the blockchain. These smart contracts interact with the Chainlink oracles to request and receive external data. Off-chain component. The off-chain component consists of the Chainlink nodes, which are responsible for fetching data from external sources, processing it, and delivering it to the on-chain smart contracts. Chainlink Core. This is the middleware that facilitates communication between the on-chain and off-chain components. It handles the data requests from smart contracts and coordinates with the Chainlink nodes to retrieve the necessary data. Consensus mechanism. Chainlink employs a consensus mechanism to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data provided by its oracles. This involves multiple oracles retrieving data from various sources and reaching a consensus on the final data to be delivered to the smart contract. This decentralized consensus approach enhances the security and trustworthiness of the data. Link token. Link is the native cryptocurrency of the Chainlink network. It serves several purposes within the ecosystem. Link is the native cryptocurrency of the Chainlink network. It serves several purposes within the ecosystem. Incentives. Link tokens are used to incentivize the Oracle nodes to provide accurate and reliable data. Nodes are rewarded with Link tokens for their services. Payments. Smart contract developers use Link tokens to pay for the data services provided by the Chainlink oracles. Staking. In the future, Chainlink plans to introduce a staking mechanism where node operators can stake Link tokens as collateral to back their services, further enhancing the network security and reliability. 3. Use cases and applications. Decentralized finance DeFi. One of the primary use cases for Chainlink is in the decentralized finance DeFi sector. DeFi platforms rely heavily on accurate and timely data for various financial services, such as lending, borrowing, trading, and derivatives. Chainlink oracles provide reliable price feeds, interest rates, and other financial data, ensuring the smooth operation of DeFi applications. Price feeds. Chainlink's price oracles are widely used in DeFi platforms to provide real-time and accurate price data for various cryptocurrencies and assets. This data is crucial for functions like collateralization, liquidation, and trading. Lending and borrowing. DeFi platforms use Chainlink's data feeds to determine interest rates, collateral values, and other parameters for lending and borrowing activities. Derivatives and prediction markets. Chainlink's oracles enable the creation of decentralized derivatives and prediction markets. by providing accurate data for underlying assets and event outcomes. Insurance. Chainlink has significant applications in the insurance industry, particularly in the area of parametric insurance. Parametric insurance relies on predefined conditions and data triggers to automatically execute insurance payouts. Chainlink's oracles provide the necessary data, such as weather conditions, flight delays, and natural disaster occurrences to trigger these smart contract-based insurance policies. Weather insurance. Chainlink's oracles can provide weather data from trusted sources to trigger insurance payouts for events like extreme rainfall, drought, or hurricanes. Flight insurance. Chainlink can supply real-time flight data to trigger automatic compensation for delayed or canceled flights. Crop insurance. Farmers can use Chainlink-enabled smart contracts to receive timely payouts based on weather data, crop yields, and other agricultural parameters. Supply chain management. Supply chain management is another area where Chainlink's decentralized oracles can provide significant value. By integrating with IoT devices and other data sources, Chainlink can ensure transparency, traceability, and security in supply chain operations. Product provenance. Chainlink can verify the origin and journey of products through the supply chain, ensuring authenticity and preventing counterfeiting. Logistics tracking. Real-time data from IoT devices can be used to track the location, condition, and status of goods, enabling better logistics management. Compliance and auditing. Chainlink's oracles can provide verified data for compliance and auditing purposes, ensuring adherence to regulations and standards. Gaming and NFTs. Chainlink's technology is also applicable in the gaming industry and the burgeoning market for non-fungible tokens (NFTs). By providing verifiable data, Chainlink enhances the functionality and security of blockchain-based games and NFT platforms. Random number generation (RNG). Chainlink's VRF verifiable random function provides provably fair and tamper-proof randomness for in-game events, loot boxes, and other gaming mechanics. NFT provenance. Chainlink oracles can verify the authenticity and ownership history of NFTs, ensuring transparency and trust in the NFT market. Dynamic NFTs. Chainlink enables the creation of dynamic NFTs that can change and evolve based on external data inputs, such as real-world events or player achievements. Enterprise solutions. Chainlink's technology extends beyond individual use cases to provide enterprise-grade solutions for businesses across various industries. Data aggregation. Enterprises can use Chainlink's oracles to aggregate data from multiple sources, ensuring accuracy and reliability for business processes. Payment automation. Chainlink enables automated payment solutions by connecting smart contracts with traditional banking systems and payment APIs. Regulatory compliance. Businesses can leverage Chainlink's verified data for regulatory reporting, compliance checks, and auditing purposes. IV, Chainlink VRF, and DECO. Chainlink VRF verifiable random function. Chainlink VRF is a secure and verifiable source of randomness designed for smart contracts. It addresses the need for unbiased and tamper-proof randomness in blockchain applications such as gaming, lotteries, and randomized token distributions. Chainlink VRF provides cryptographic proof that the randomness is fair and has not been manipulated. DECO, privacy-preserving oracles. DECO is a technology developed by Chainlink that enhances the privacy and security of data provided by oracles. DECO enables oracles to prove the authenticity of data from web servers without revealing the data itself, ensuring user privacy and data confidentiality. This technology has significant implications for applications requiring sensitive data, such as financial transactions, identity verification, and health records. Community and partnerships. Community engagement. Chainlink has a vibrant and active community of developers, node operators, and blockchain enthusiasts. The Chainlink team engages with the community through various channels, including social media, forums, developer meetups, and hackathons. Community members contribute to the ecosystem by developing integrations, creating educational content, and community engagement. Chainlink has a vibrant and active community of developers, node operators, and blockchain enthusiasts. The Chainlink team engages with the community through various channels, including social media, forums, developer meetups, and hackathons. Community members contribute to the ecosystem by developing integrations, creating educational content, and participating in governance discussions, partnerships, and integrations. Chainlink has established numerous partnerships and integrations with leading blockchain projects, enterprises, and data providers. Some notable partnerships include Google Cloud. Chainlink has collaborated with Google Cloud to integrate Chainlink oracles with Google Cloud's Biggery, enabling smart contracts to access data stored in Google Cloud. SWIFT. Chainlink has partnered with SWIFT, the global interbank messaging network, to explore the use of blockchain and smart contracts in financial services. Chainlink provides decentralized price feeds for a leading DeFi lending platform, ensuring accurate and reliable data for loan collateralization and liquidation. Synthetics. Chainlink oracles supply price data for Synthetics, a decentralized synthetic asset platform, enabling the creation and trading of synthetic assets. Oracle. Chainlink has integrated with Oracle Blockchain Platform, providing secure and reliable data for enterprise blockchain applications. VI. Challenges and criticisms. Scalability and performance. As Chainlink continues to grow, scalability and performance remain significant challenges. The increasing demand for Oracle services can lead to network congestion and higher gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain. To address these issues, Chainlink is exploring layer-2 solutions and other scaling technologies to enhance the network's capacity and efficiency. Decentralization and security. Ensuring the decentralization and security of the Oracle network is crucial for Chainlink's success. While the network has made significant strides, maintaining a sufficiently decentralized and secure set of oracles is an ongoing challenge. Chainlink's planned staking mechanism aims to enhance security by requiring node operators to stake link tokens as collateral. Regulatory environment. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is constantly evolving. Chainlink must navigate regulatory environment for Chainlink Link. Introduction. The regulatory environment for Chainlink Link and its decentralized Oracle network is shaped by the broader regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. As a project that bridges traditional financial systems and blockchain-based smart contracts, Chainlink must navigate a complex web of regulations that govern data privacy, financial transactions, and digital assets. This section will explore the various regulatory considerations for Chainlink, including data privacy laws, financial regulations, and the impact of evolving cryptocurrency legislation. Data privacy and security regulations. General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). The General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) is a comprehensive data protection law enacted by the European Union (EU). It regulates how organizations collect, store, and process personal data of EU residents. Chainlink, as a decentralized network that facilitates the transmission of data, must ensure that its operations comply with GDPR requirements, particularly when handling personal data. Data minimization. Chainlink nodes must adhere to the principle of data minimization by only processing data that is necessary for fulfilling smart contract requests. Consent and transparency. Users and data providers must be informed about how their data is being used and provide explicit consent for its processing. Security measures. Chainlink must implement robust security measures to protect personal data from breaches and unauthorized access. California Consumer Privacy Act (CCPA). The California Consumer Privacy Act (CCPA) is a state-level data privacy law that grants California residents rights over their personal data. Similar to GDPR, CCPA requires organizations to be transparent about data collection practices and allows consumers to opt out of data sharing. Consumer rights. Chainlink must ensure that California residents can exercise their rights under CCPA, including the right to know what personal data is collected, the right to delete personal data, and the right to opt out of data sharing. Compliance framework. Chainlink nodes operating in or serving California residents must establish a compliance framework to address CCPA requirements. E. Financial regulations, securities laws. One of the critical regulatory considerations for Chainlink is whether link tokens are classified as securities. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) applies the Howey test to determine if a digital asset qualifies as a security. Howey test. The Howey test examines whether there is an investment of money in a common enterprise, with an expectation of profits derived from the efforts of others. If link tokens are deemed securities, Chainlink must comply with securities laws, including registration and disclosure requirements. Compliance strategies. To mitigate regulatory risks, Chainlink must work closely with legal experts to ensure that link tokens are not marketed or used in a manner that would classify them as securities. Anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC). Financial regulations aimed at preventing money laundering and terrorist financing, such as AML and KYC laws, are critical for Chainlink's operations, particularly when interacting with financial institutions and DeFi platforms. AML compliance. Chainlink must implement AML policies and procedures to detect and report suspicious activities. This includes monitoring transactions for signs of money laundering and ensuring that node operators comply with AML regulations. KYC procedures. Depending on the jurisdiction, Chainlink may need to enforce KYC procedures for node operators and data providers, verifying their identities and assessing their risk profiles. 3. Cryptocurrency legislation and regulation. Evolving regulatory landscape. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies is continuously evolving, with various jurisdictions adopting different approaches to regulate digital assets. Chainlink must stay abreast of these changes to ensure compliance and adapt its operations accordingly. Regulatory clarity. Chainlink benefits from jurisdictions that provide clear and comprehensive regulations for cryptocurrencies, as this reduces uncertainty and facilitates compliance. Jurisdictional variability. Chainlink must navigate the regulatory differences between countries, ensuring that its operations are compliant in each jurisdiction where it operates. Global regulatory initiatives. Several global regulatory initiatives impact Chainlink and the broader cryptocurrency industry. These initiatives aim to create a standardized regulatory framework for digital assets, enhancing transparency, security, and consumer protection. Financial Action Task Force (FATF). The FATF provides international guidelines for AML and counter-terrorist financing (CTF) measures in the cryptocurrency sector. Chainlink must adhere to FATF recommendations to mitigate regulatory risks. European Union (EU) regulations. The EU is working on a comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets, known as the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation. Chainlink must prepare to comply with MiCA once it is implemented. United States regulatory environment. The regulatory landscape in the United States is influenced by various agencies, including the SEC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network (FinCEN). Chainlink must ensure compliance with the requirements of these agencies. 4. Legal and compliance strategies. Proactive engagement with regulators. Proactive engagement with regulators is essential for Chainlink to navigate the complex regulatory environment effectively. By establishing open communication channels with regulatory authorities, Chainlink can gain insights into regulatory expectations and demonstrate its commitment to compliance. Regulatory liaison. Chainlink should designate a regulatory liaison to interact with regulators, respond to inquiries, and provide information about the network's operations. Public policy advocacy. Chainlink can participate in public policy discussions and advocate for regulatory frameworks that support innovation while ensuring consumer protection and financial stability. Compliance programs and audits. Implementing robust compliance programs and conducting regular audits are critical for Chainlink to maintain regulatory compliance. These programs help identify and mitigate regulatory risks and ensure that the network operates within the legal boundaries. Internal controls. Chainlink should establish internal controls to monitor compliance with data privacy, AML, KYC, and securities laws. This includes developing policies, procedures, and training programs for node operators and data providers. Third-party audits. Engaging third-party auditors to review Chainlink's compliance practices can provide an independent assessment of the network's adherence to regulatory requirements. Legal counsel and advisory. Engaging experienced legal counsel and advisory services is essential for Chainlink to navigate the regulatory landscape effectively. Legal experts can provide guidance on regulatory compliance, risk management, and strategic planning. Legal expertise. Chainlink should work with legal experts who specialize in cryptocurrency and blockchain regulations to ensure comprehensive compliance. Regulatory updates. Staying informed about regulatory updates and changes is crucial for Chainlink to adapt its operations and remain compliant with evolving laws. Conclusion. Navigating the regulatory environment for Chainlink requires a comprehensive understanding of data privacy laws, financial regulations, and evolving cryptocurrency legislation. By implementing robust compliance programs, engaging proactively with regulators, and seeking expert legal counsel, Chainlink can mitigate regulatory risks and ensure the secure and reliable operation of its decentralized Oracle network. As the regulatory landscape continues to evolve, Chainlink must remain vigilant and adaptable to maintain its position as a leading provider of decentralized Oracle solutions.